Okay, for question number 8, the intensity level of sound, L, measured in decibels, is a function of the sound intensity, S watts per square meter. The intensity level is given by the following. And now an orchestra has a sound intensity of 6.4 times 10 to the minus 3 watts meters per meter square. So now we need to calculate the intensity level L of the orchestra. Now we're going to be using this formula, and we've been given that the sound intensity, which is this, is all of that. So this is S. Now we have the L, which is the intensity level, is equal to 10 log to the base 10 into S times 10 to the power of 12. And so what we're going to do is we're going to split this. So then we get 10 into log to the base 10, and then we have S, okay, times log to the base 10 10 to the 12. Log 10 to the base 10, log 10 to the power of 12 to the base 10. That's the way I would just actually read it. So I got then 10 into, then all of that S here. We can use the properties of logarithm. So what we're going to do is we're going to say log to the base 10, and we've got S plus, this is 1 basically, so 12 log 10 to the base 10. If we go further, we've got 10. Let's just substitute S for what's been given. 6.4 times 10 to the negative 3. And then we're going to plus 12 times log 10 to the base 10 is 1, basically. So L is equal to 10 into, so if I were to do this, log of say 6.4 times 10 to the minus 3. It's going to give me negative 2.9 some. So negative 2.1938 all of that plus 12. Let's just do it here. Plus 12, and you end up with 9.80617. So that's L is equal to 10 times 9.806. 179974. Therefore we can say to 3 significant figures will be 98.0617 and so on. So to 3 significant figures we're looking at 98.1. So now that's decibel, of course. That should be the answer to the first part of the question. Now let's move on to the second part of the question, which becomes very interesting. So we've got a rock concern has an intensity level of 112 decibels. We need to find the sound intensity, and that carries 2 marks. So we're going to use the formula again. Sorry. So this is now part A, now this is part B. So basically now we've got L, which has been given, okay, as 112 decibel. So 112 is equal to 10 log to the base 10. Then you've got S, and of course we're going to bracket this. And then because we're using the properties of logarithms, again we're going to add these two because we have got multiplication here to the base 10. And I've got this is 10 to the power of 12. So what we're saying then is that the 112 can be divided by 10, which is 11.2, is equal to log to the base 10 S plus 12 log to the base 10 is equal to 1. So 12 times 1 is 12. And the 12 can go on the other side. If you were to take 11.2 minus 12, you'll get negative 0.8. So we've got then negative 0.8 is equal to log to the base 10 of s. So s is equal to, you remove the log, and on the other side you're going to get this as the base, so 10 to the power of negative 0.8. And so the answer, I've got then 10 to the power of what we just found, 0.15823 significant figures. So this is 0.158 watts per meter square. So here we are for the second part of the question. Take care.